Hey everybody, thanks for clicking in. Hey, today we're at an awesome beachside community known as Judith's Fancy. This is a gated community with deeded access directly to a beautiful long beach. Really nice. Property we're looking at is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house with solar, pool, fenced-in yard, and a bonus storage room, or actually a separate structure. You could actually kind of make it like a little guest house if you tied it into water and septic. Not a big project, and you would have that bonus 3rd bedroom or rental unit. Really great opportunity to get a home in an awesome location. Let's go check it out. All right, today we're gonna start poolside. Now, you got the pool, you got the main house here, and then under this awesome tree is the separate building that could be converted either into a 3rd bedroom or maybe even a separate rental VRBO. And it does have direct access on the other side of the fence out to the road, so it could have its own driveway. That's a big plus if you don't mind taking on a little project. Awesome pool, all fenced in yard, perfect for the kids and dogs. Got your pool pump here. Solar panels up on the roof. Let me zoom in just a hair on those. And remember, you've got 2 Fortress lithium-ion batteries here, so no power outages and a very small, if any, WAPA bill. Awesome. Nice shaded chill zone here. Looking back down onto the pool. Gate out to the parking area. Clothesline along the side. And then inside we go. Let's check it out. Right off the pool patio through the magnetic screen. Check that out. Snap! Right back together. Love that. Nice workspace here to the right. Kitchen. And then there's your living room. Dining area. AC. And beautiful varnished ceilings. Love that tongue and groove. Nice tray effect. Super sweet. And then straight into the kitchen. Now, they're not utilizing it as such, but a perfect little breakfast nook right here for morning coffee. Little bacon and eggs. And here we're looking back. Stainless steel fridge, ice maker, nice countertops, gas stove, nice setup. And then here we've got our laundry room. We got your washer, dryer, basin, and then you've got your water filtration system there. And lots of storage. Now while I'm here, let me pop out the front door. So here's the parking area. You'd come in off the main road right here, park right here, gate to the pool, direct. And then in here is the solar equipment. 2 12K solar converters, 1, 2, and 2 Fortress batteries. Really good setup. A lot of storage power right there. So forget about an electric bill and forget about a generator. 2 big bonuses. All right, we're gonna cross through the living room and check out the bedrooms. Right down the hallway to 2 bedrooms. You got a guest bedroom on the left, master bedroom at the end. First, we'll check out the guest bedroom. Queen size bed, more of those beautiful tray ceilings. View out to the pool, TV and AC up in the corner, and then access to the bathroom, which actually doubles as the guest bath. Check this out, this is really nice. You've actually got impact glass windows on this side of the house. Give it the thump test. Pass. Love that, and they're sliders, so they're easy to clean. When you open them up, you get lots of breeze. You do have the louvers on this side, but you do got the impacts on that side. Then down the hall, bank of left, more storage closets, access to the bedroom, closet with water heater, and then here's your guest bathroom. Very nice. Opaque louvers there. Pretty shower. Then back out we go. Down to the end of the hall. We've got the master bedroom. Real nice. Now that's a king size bed. More impact glass windows there. Really nice layout. And there are impact glasses on this side of the master bedroom as well. So this whole room is completely sealed tight. Very efficient for the AC with that kind of window. Big walk-in closet. Cabinet at the end. Access to your plumbing there through that panel, and then an updated vanity here, which is very, very nice. Real nice bathroom here, another gorgeous shower. Sweet. Okay, those are the 2 bedrooms. We're gonna work our way back through the living room, out to the pool patio, I'm gonna go check out the storage room slash future guest house. Nice. Okay, right through the gate there, off the pool area. Now we're in the side yard. Now keep in mind, the boundary line is not the fence line. That's just for like dogs and kids corralled. It actually runs out to the road there, down this side, and then across the back, and I'll show you the marker in a minute, over to a corner marked right there. But check out this awesome tree. What a great place for a tree house, huh? So cool. Now, this is the original shed that actually has an 18 kW diesel generator in it right there. Works like a charm, and it's tied into the solar system. So if there's no sun, it'll try to charge itself from WAPA, but if WAPA's out, the generator will kick in. That's a nice bonus. So there you are looking at the old shed, and then this is the new, what I think could be a guest bedroom, or so you could keep it as a workshop if you wanted. You got one window there, but it would be easy to pop window openings in here and make this a actual little guest house. You've got electrical here, you got the panel, you just have to run the water line, but right out here, you've got a septic clean out. So septic systems nearby. Wouldn't take a lot to make it an actual separate guest house or VRBO rental. And like I mentioned earlier, it does have direct access up the side yard here. Now looking back at the shutters, right through here. So you could actually have a separate driveway. Now the corner boundary is right there. That's the corner. So it runs down to that and banks a left and heads west that way, all the way clear to the other side of that fence. So don't let the fence fool you. That is not the boundary. Lots of firewood from an old fallen tree here. Put out a nice fire pit. It'd be awesome. Just a great open yard area. Lots of grass. Beautiful mahogany tree. Nice row of Christmas palms. Two beautiful Norfolk Point pines. Two of them, one there, one right there. And then here we are looking back at the house. All right, guys, if you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. It's a beautiful place. Great place for a family, a VRBO, a little getaway. Great spot. Hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, have an awesome Norfolk Pine St. Croix Day. Bye-bye. All right, guys, thanks for watching that tour. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to check it out, give us a call. In the meantime, if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click down here. And for more videos, click right up here. And remember, the list price and other important information is located in the description box right below. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.